is what I got. Got the tractor parked sideways. You go down there and level it out, and I'll try to reach it with the backhoe. Alright, now let me move the chain. Alright, I doubt this is going to work. Feels like I'm about to slide out of the seat because it's so steep. Let's see. See what happens. There's a root. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Let's do another one. Right, let's see if we can get this one. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's see if it's loose. Oh yeah, it'll come now. Just had those two big roots holding it in. Come on. It's coming. Oh, crap. Didn't see those. I went into the side of it out. Alright, now let's hook a chain up to it. Change of plans. Why get out and hook a chain to it? I got a grapple. I call that a success. Now, let's take it to the brush pile. Alright, I got the tree. We're going to take it down the hill and add it to our burn pile. First, we got to get to the gate. Alright, let's try this. It's about terrible. Oh man, I just broke the light. Dang it. Something else up. Here we go. And obstacle course and trees. Hit it. Alright, got it added to the burn pile. I have no idea what type of tree that was, but I need to get rid of it so I can add a retaining wall. Right, let's try to find the light I broke. Hopefully I didn't break it. Move all this out of the way. Oh yeah, there it is. Just little solar lights that I have. They just snap on in there. Does that look level? Plumb? Nope. There we go. All right. See you on the next project.